Why is my furnace making loud noises? Banging sounds. If your furnace is making a loud booming or banging noise, the problem may be caused by a small gas explosion that happens when there's a delay in ignition. Gas can build up in your combustion chamber when the gas burners in your furnace do not ignite on time. If the gas burners are not igniting efficiently, this is an indicator of a clog or a gas pressure problem. Do not attempt to fix a gas burner without a licensed technician. Disassembling the heat exchanger or burners can cause a gas leak in your house. Shrieking noises. If your furnace is making a high-pitched squealing noise, this is an indicator of a problem with the motor, such as a damaged belt. If you discover the problem early, it is easy to fix with the correct tools and equipment. Call a licensed contractor to repair the belt before bigger problems are developed in your furnace. Scraping sounds. If your furnace is making a scraping noise, this may be a sign of worn-out ball bearings. On the other hand, the blower wheel may have also come loose. It's best to turn the heat off and call a certified HVAC professional in your neighborhood. Popping noises. At the beginning of a heating cycle, the blower motor distributes warm air into the air ducts in your house. If you notice a loud popping noise when your furnace is activated, the source of this problem is inflation in your air ducts. Once the warm air reaches cold air ducts, the metal will become enlarged to accommodate the change in temperature. On the other hand, the source of the popping noise may be contaminated gas burners in your furnace. As the furnace in your house becomes older, sediment will start to collect on the burners. If the debris is not removed from the gas burners each year, a large amount of gas will start to collect and cause holes to form in your heat exchanger. Rattling and rumbling noises. When something is loose in your furnace, it will cause vibration. Once a part becomes too loose, it can break other components in your gas or electric furnace. Hire a technician to perform an inspection of the blower motor, hot surface igniter, heat exchanger, or gas burners. A certified professional has the tools and equipment necessary to tighten loose parts in your furnace. Whistling sounds. Your furnace may be making a whistling noise due to restricted airflow from a clogged air filter. Try changing your air filter and see if the spooky sound goes away. The scariest furnace problems can be silent. If your furnace isn't making noises, it may have other types of issues that are less noticeable, such as a carbon monoxide leak. Carbon monoxide is odorless, colorless, and tasteless but can be fatal when inhaled. Carbon monoxide poisoning can happen due to a crack in the heat exchanger, and symptoms can include dizziness, nausea, and fainting. To ensure there are no problems with your furnace, we recommend scheduling a maintenance appointment with our team each season. To play it safe, make sure your carbon monoxide detectors are always working. When your furnace is producing a loud noise, give our team of licensed technicians in Durham region a call by phone to schedule an appointment. KDM Gas is here to help.